Siguro medyo weird to para sa iba kasi syempre yung pangis pa yung angas, tapos nakita yung campaign namin, di ba, mag-discarte, matapang. But for me, when you're being kind, para sa akin, ano na yun, pangis na yun eh. Kasi parang hindi natin alam kung ano pinagdadaan ng ibang tao eh. So when you're kind for no reason, you're humble, you have humility, you're reliable as a person sa pamilya mo, sa mga tao na, you know, hindi kasing, you know, hindi naman na narating mo. And you help others without expecting anything. Yan, para sa akin yun yung bangis eh. Yun yung bangis.
Talagang yun yung bangis sa puso.
Mandatory, but if you are capable ka para tumulong sa iba, bakit naman hindi ka gawin, di ba? Especially dito sa bansa natin, as a country, ang dami natin pinagdadaanan, di ba? Within ourselves, sa mga calamities, and that's why this partnership with Leon and Asian Brew has been very beautiful. Kasi isang sabi ko lang, baka naman pwede makingi ng tubig kasi may nalindo sa Mindanao. Agad-agad, ang reply, saan namin ipapadala? You know, so this has been a very, I've been very grateful and privileged to be part of this.
Perfect talaga yun.
Marami yan. Like I said, ang dami natin pinagdadaanan. And you know, when we were doing this music video, the commercial, alam ko eh, I said, we're doing something inspiring. I mean, just looking at them, si Easy Mail, tinanong ko sa sarili ko, wow, you know, I'm among greatness. I'm among people who inspire others. So, na-excite ako nung ginagawa namin to. But, you know, just be kind. Ganun kasimple lang mensahe ko dahil sa dami natin pinagdadaanan. And if kaya natin tumulong sa iba, you know, kung kaya na why not? Why not? It'll make you a better person. And you'll feel better. Makita mo yung maliit na tulong. Walang malaki, walang maliit. Basta makatulong ka.
That's true. You are
Going hard means having, I guess for my sport, having the confidence to know when to rest as well. Because you can't just redline all the time. So, you know, it's choosing your battles and resting when you need to and going hard when you need to. You have to approach everything, but you can't just go hard all the time, you know, but definitely, yeah, there's no substitute for hard work. Hard work always pays off, but at times you do have to rest.
Madami. Siguro pinaka-ano yung pamilya ko. Di ba? Yung pamilya ko. Ay, laking Jensen ako eh. Laking probinsya ako eh. So, and I've been blessed with so many opportunities. Di ba? Since 2006, nagtatrabaho na po ako. 17 years old pa lang ako. So, yung alam mo na kapag may kailangan yung nanay ko, kapag may kailangan yung mga kapatid ko, ano, parang alam ko sa sarili na kaya ko ibigay. And because of that, that inspires me to work even harder.
Yes, tama yung sinabi ni Gerald na family is very important para at least makapaghugot ka ng promise. Pero for me, siguro it always starts with you. Kasi without you pushing yourself, parang ano yung wala kang magagawa eh. So it always starts with you. Kapag na-inspire mo yung sarili mo to do what you want to do, and magtutuloy-tuloy na yun. To family, to your friends, or to your loved ones, tuloy-tuloy na yan. Kumbaga, hanggang sa hindi mo namamalayan na sobrang dami mo na palang responsibility na doon ka na kumukuha ng lakas. Na without them, you won't be able to do the same thing.
How about you, Mark?
I'm a naturally competitive guy, so definitely there is a lot of that that starts with me. And I want to go out there and I want to win, I want to compete, but definitely my friends, my family, all my supporters inspire me to keep pushing, especially on those days when, you know, not every day is perfect and you wake up feeling sore, but it's those days when you have to continue to push through and be consistent. And on those days, yeah, my friends, my family, my supporters, they inspire me to move forward.
Always nice to pick your guys' brain. Salamat for all. Then my first question, para to sa lahat. Para sa inyo, anong ibig sabihin ng bangis?
Bangis para sa amin is, despite lahat ng challenges na nakukuha natin, tuloy pa rin yung gamit.
Yeah, actually, tama yan eh, patuloy lang. Kumbaga sa Bisaya, padayon lang. Kahit anong darating na challenges sa buhay, success, failure, dapat tuloy-tuloy lang.
That's a beautiful word, padayon.
Padayon.
I love it. Ikaw, Mark, ano yung bangis?
Yeah, for me, bangis is being fierce and strong. There's so many challenges for every person. Everyone has their own battles in life, and just pushing through no matter the obstacles.
And why is it important to celebrate the bangis of every Filipino?
Siguro for me, bawat Pilipino, may iba't iba tayong journey, may iba't iba tayong pinaglalaban, families natin, yung work natin, yung hustle natin. And siguro, itong Leon mismo yung nagbibigay ng message na yun for everyone din. Kumbaga, ito yung magiging symbol for them to pursue their dreams.
Nice. Kayo.
Yeah, you know, as Filipinos, we are strong-willed and resilient people. So it's just about being strong and moving forward no matter what the challenge is.
At saka ang Pilipino kahit saan mo ilagay sa mundo, talagang kaya mag-adapt, kaya maging successful, di ba? Ang pinaka-motivation natin yung mga Pilipino natin sa abroad ay yung pamilya natin. So kailangan talaga maging pakis kahit saan ka man sa mundo.
Yes, alam naman na.
Then kapag sinimulan nyo, tuloy nyo. Kasi consistency is key for you to be successful in life. And itong message na binigay ng Leon is very powerful. Kasi the way na binigay nila yung itong place na to para sa amin, para sa mga Pilipino, makes us stronger and makes us inspire more. Para at least tayo mga Pilipino, we get to appreciate yung kung ano yung talent na nabibigay sa atin bilang Pilipino.
Siguro ako yung mensahe ko para sa mga nangarap na Pilipino, huwag lang gawing pangarap. Di ba? Kailangan makamit mo yan, kailangan abutin mo yung pangarap na yan dahil kasi kung pangarap lang, di ba, nasa isip lang yun eh, umaasa ka lang. But you have to work hard for that. Kailangan talaga ma-reach mo yung goal na yan.
How about you, Mark?
Yeah, as Gerald said, you have to work hard. You know, there's no substitute for hard work, and I realized that in my sport of fighting, if you don't work hard, you lose. You know, so it's black and white in the world of fight sport. But life is like that for all walks of life. So work hard and be consistent. Consistency is key.
And if any